Ready to turn your ideas into a sound website without any coding? Discover how Canva's intuitive design tools can help you create a professional online presence in just a few clicks. Whether you are a beginner or just someone who just creating or building a beautiful site has never been easier. Join us and unleash your creativity with Canva today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to build a website on Canva. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals and businesses to create visually appealing websites with ease. With its drag and drop interface, a wide array of customizable templates and design elements, Canva enables users to build professional-looking web pages without any coding knowledge. It's perfect for anyone looking to establish an online presence quickly and creatively, whether for personal projects, portfolios, or business needs. All you have to do right now is just come back to the top, and in the top right you click over sign up and you get started with Canva. So here we have it. Right now you have just to search for the websites, and I will just searching for websites like that. And here we have the template. So for example, I will just select the template I think, or I will just create yet a blank website. All right. So if you have a blank website and you start from the scratch, but I will just select, for example, some websites here. I will just click over SEO and I will select one website here. But firstly, we'll just click on all filters and I will select the category that I want. For example, visit related to business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards and invitations. Then we have also here the style. For example, also we have the theme here, and also we have language, feature, grade. Then we have subject, topic. Then we have price as well. We'll select, for example, the free one. Then we have about the color. Select the color that you think is better. Then you click over apply and you find your template that you select. Also, we have here the optional category. You can just select business, social media, education, video, marketing. Then we have also here print products, and then we have here cards and invitation as well. For this one, you'll find our various things here just to get started, right? So then you have just to select the template that you think is better. For example, I will just select, for example, I will select this one and I will click over customize this template, and you will find other page, which is this one. It's for designing the website. For example, we have it as you can see. Right now I will just modify all these things by using here this left settings. For example, design elements, text, print, upload, draw. When you have project and application, then you have the QR code. All right. I will just go to the design here and I will search for website templates. I will select, for example, posters, basketball, and something depending on the thing that I want or the thing that I search. For example, I will just select other template if I don't like this one, and then I will just go to the element and I will modify all these things. For example, I don't like this one, so I will show you how you can do that. I don't like this phone, I will just delete it like that. And right now I will just go to the elements and I will add, for example, here t-shirt, and here we have it as you can see. I will just scroll out right now and I will search for t-shirt. I will just click over photos and I will select, for example, this one. As you can see, I'll put it here. I will delete this one and I will delete also this one. As you can see, and I will add here, I will go to search Instagram, for example. I will just go to the graphics because I will add my account on Instagram to be famous and start selling the t-shirt. Also, if you want to add here, if you want to add also here your email and your location, and also we have here, if you want to just add, for example, your email. For example, localization is very important. Localization, I'll just select this one. Then I will search also for call also, and just select, for example, this one. As you can see, then I will just go to the text and I will add a little bit of body text. We'll put it here. As you can see, here we have it. And then you get started and you add whatever you want here. Alright. Then you have just to delete this one and you add, for example, all the heading. Put it here. Then we'll add also delete this one, also this one, and also modify all these things, as you can see. For example, I will add here the pricing, or so for example, I don't like all these templates, I will just delete it. Delete the background. I will delete also this one. Alright, so right now I will add other things here. So I will just go to the upload and I will upload something here, but I already uploaded, and I will just put it here. As you can see, this is the background that I choose. As you can see, we have it. And right now I will just here add whatever I want, for example, add a text or add elements or add a design if you want. So this is how it works with Canva. Right now you have just to click over share in the top right and you select here the option that you want to visit anyone with the link or only you can access. Then you have just to copy the link and you get started. We can download, you can use website here, public view page, and SEO such as your template link, present website, you have public view link, present and record, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, and embed as well. Right? If you did a mistake, I've just to click over here and they come back. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.